Imagine this, a sea of blue bikes ready to whisk you away on an urban adventure. That's Citi Bike, New York City's bike-sharing program. It's a fun, easy way to get around. Hop on a bike, feel the wind in your hair and explore the city. Millions of rides happen each year. Why do people love Citi Bike? Let's find out. With the Citi Bike app, finding a bike is just a tap away. You can locate the nearest station, check bike availability, and even plan your route. Docking and undocking a bike is simple and quick. Whether you're commuting to work, meeting friends, or just exploring, Citi Bike makes it easy. Enjoy scenic views and discover hidden gems around the city. People of all ages and backgrounds use Citi Bike. It's perfect for families, tourists, and locals alike. The bikes are well maintained and regularly checked for safety. Each bike comes equipped with safety features like lights and bells, so whether it's day or night, you can ride with confidence. Join the Citi Bike community and participate in events and group rides. Experience the joy and freedom of biking through the city with Citi Bike. Citi Bike. Your ride, your city, your adventure. Some places are Citi Bike magnets. Think Times Square or Central Park. Tourists love these spots. They grab a bike and go sightseeing. Busy neighborhoods are popular too. People use Citi Bikes to commute to work or school. The most popular locations tell us a lot about how people use Citi Bikes. How long do people ride Citi Bikes? It depends on their age. Younger riders often take shorter trips. Maybe they're zipping around their neighborhood. Older riders tend to ride longer. Perhaps they're enjoying a leisurely ride in the park. Trip duration gives us clues about how different generations use Citi Bike. Section 4, Generation Spin. Who's dominating the bike lanes? In today's bustling urban environments, bike lanes have become a melting pot of diverse age groups and lifestyles. Which age group loves Citi Bike the most? It's the millennials. They're used to sharing. Millennials have grown up in a culture of sharing, from ride-sharing apps to co-working spaces. They like the convenience and affordability. For them, Citi Bikes offer a perfect blend of flexibility and cost-effectiveness, making it an ideal choice for daily commutes and spontaneous rides. Baby boomers are also embracing bike sharing. This generation, known for its adaptability, finds bike sharing a refreshing way to stay active. It's a fun way to stay active and explore the city. For baby boomers, biking is not just a mode of transport, but a delightful way to rediscover urban landscapes. Each generation has its reasons for choosing Citi Bike. Whether it's the millennials seeking convenience or the baby boomers looking for an active lifestyle, Citi Bike caters to all. The bike lanes are a testament to how different generations can come together, each finding their unique joy in the simple act of biking. Section 5. Weekday warriors and weekend riders, user types in focus. In the bustling city of New York, Citi Bike serves a diverse range of users. Citi Bike isn't just for tourists, it's a lifeline for many residents. Many New Yorkers use it too. From the busy streets of Manhattan to the quieter neighborhoods of Brooklyn, Citi Bikes are everywhere. During the week, it's all about commuting. The weekday warriors are out in full force, navigating the urban jungle. People ride to work or school. Weekends are different. Rides are longer. The pace slows down and the city feels a bit more relaxed. Maybe people are running errands or enjoying the day off. Families, friends and solo riders take advantage of the bike sharing system. The way people use Citi Bikes changes throughout the week. From the hustle and bustle of weekdays to the leisurely rides on weekends, Citi Bike adapts to the needs of its users. It's a testament to the versatility and convenience of this bike sharing program. Whether you're a weekday warrior or a weekend rider, Citi Bike has something to offer for everyone. So next time you're in New York, take a moment to notice the different types of riders and how they use Citi Bikes to navigate the city. It's more than just a mode of transportation. It's a way of life for many New Yorkers. Section 6. Sunshine and showers, how weather impacts bike rides. Weather plays a big role in bike sharing. Sunny days mean more riders. People are in a good mood and happy to be outside. Rainy days? Not so much. People stay indoors. Weather has a big impact on how many people use Citi Bike.